Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about types of inputs to a command, like what type of input you can give. So we have seen we write the command like this. Let's say it's a command, and we can write something here like this. Okay, these are arguments. Okay, if we write the command like this, then we press enter. Then we write something here, niche. Then this is called standard input. So, giving the arguments in the same line where we are executing the command, that is called arguments. And if the command needs some standard input, like we need to type something in our keyboard after executing the command, then it's called input. So let's say I have one file here, okay, t1.txt. So if I want to read the file, I can use a cat command here. So how to write the command t1.txt? Okay. So here we are giving the argument to the command in the same line. So it's called argument type of inputs. So I can read the file right now. Just like that, if I want to create some file, let's say t2.txt, t3.txt, t4.txt. So here I can give multiple arguments to the same command. So this is called like arguments type of input. If I see now, the files are created. Okay. So now a second type of inputs, which is standard input. So cat command can take arguments as well as standard input both. If I write cat, then enter. Okay. So now it's asking me to type something. If I type ABC, it will display ABC. Whatever I type here, it will display the same to me. Okay. So here cat is also taking inputs as standard input. Whatever I type, it will take that as input and it will display. Okay. One more command is there, WC, which is like used to see the statistics of the file. Like you can see the row count, column count, characters count, like this. Okay. So let's say I'm using WC, then t1.txt. So first thing is row, second is number of words, number of characters, and the file name. If I see the file, I can see I have three rows. All the rows are having one word. So three words and the file name here. And characters are 16. Okay. Okay. Now WC command took the file name as input. So this is argument. Also, it can take standard input, just like this. So if I press WC, let's say write something. Okay. Now I need to press Control plus D. Okay. Control plus D means I am done giving my input to the command. Now you can execute. Okay, it's like this. Don't press Control C. Control C will like stop the process. Now you can see number of rows 4, number of words 13, 67 is characters, and we have not given the file as input. We are giving standard input here. Okay, that's why it's not printing any file name. So this is two types of inputs to a file. Okay, one more thing. I told you about touch command, right? If I write touch, then if I enter, it will give me some error. Missing a file operand. Means touch command can take standard input. It can only take arguments. So there are some commands which can take both, and some commands only takes arguments, not standard input. So how to know कि the command can take standard input or not? Just write the command, just like I'm writing WC here. Enter. If it's not giving any error or asking us to write something here, then it can take standard input. Otherwise, it can only take arguments. So this is all about types of inputs to a command. Thanks, guys.